Good morning to all of you. Today I am going to teach you Accountancy of Class 11. The name of the chapter Meaning and Objective of Accounting. The following main topics of this chapter are Needs for Accounting, Meaning of Accounting, Features of Accounting, Objective of Accounting, Functions of Accounting, Difference between Bookkeeping and Accounting, types of branches accounting, users of accounting information, advantage of accounting, limitation or demerits of accounting, role of accounting. So first, meaning of accounting. What is accounting? Nearly every business enterprise has accounting system. It is a means of collecting, summarizing, analyzing and reporting in monetary terms information about the business. It is called accounting. Now features of accounting. Accounting as well art as well science. It means both. Recording of financial transactions only. Recording in the terms of money. Classifying and summarizing. Summarizing means transactions, journal entry, ledgers, trial balance, trading and profit loss and balance sheet. These are the features. Now, objective of accounting: to keep systematic record of business transaction. The main objective to keep the systematic record of business transaction. To calculate profit and loss. How much profit loss during the year? Without maintaining record, we cannot find out. To know exact reason leading the net profit and net loss. To ascertain the financial position of the business. Now, functions of accounting: maintaining complete and systematic record, communicating the financial result to the various parties, protecting to assets of the business, providing the assistance to management, and complete to legal needs. And now fixing the responsibility of each party. Now, very important point, bookkeeping. What is bookkeeping? These are something considered as systematic, having the some meaning. However, there is a fundamental difference among the bookkeeping. The bookkeeping is the art recording business dealing in a set of books. Bookkeeping is the science and art recording the correctly in the books of account all those business transactions the result in transfer to money in money worth. Now, what is accounting? Accounting start where the bookkeeping and it includes the following activity: summarizing and classify transaction in the profit and loss account and balance sheet. Now, what is accountancy? It is referred to systematic knowledge of accounting concerned with the principle and technique which are applied in accounting. It tells us how to prepare the bookkeeping account, how to summarize the accounting information and how to communicate the interested party. Now, very important point, types of subfield of accounting. First, financial accounting. Second, cost accounting. Third, management accounting. Fourth, tax accounting. And fifth, social responsibility accounting. So first, financial accounting. The main purpose to this branch accounting to record the business transaction systematic manner to find out actual profit and loss during the year. Cost accounting. The main purpose of cost accounting to find out the cost per unit. Management accounting. The main purpose of management accounting is to present the accounting information in such way to assist to management in planning to controlling the operation of the business. Tax accounting. The branch of accounting which the use tax purpose called tax accounting, income tax, GST are the social responsibility account, the last social responsibility accounting. This society provide the infrastructure of the faculty without which business cannot be operate at all. Hence, the business also has responsibility to society. There are growing to demand for reports of activity which reflect the contribution and enterprise of society. Now, accounting as sources of information. So there are two parties for information of accounting information: internal users and external users. Internal users like owner, you also want to information of accounting information. Management. External users like creditor, bank, government, public deposit, etc. So these are the now advantage of use of accounting: helpful in the management of the business, helpful in the planning, helpful in decision making, helpful in controlling, provide the complete and systematic record, information regarding the profit and loss, information regarding the financial position, helpful in the assistant tax liabilities, evidence of legal matters, helpful in the presentation of profit and loss account. Now demerits: influenced by the personal judgment based on accounting concept and incomplete information, omission of quality information based of historical cost, etc. Now role of accounting. Role of accounting has been changing with the change in business environment and the increasing the social demand over the country. The role of accounting remain of conflict with the record of keeping of the financial transaction only. But today the rapidly changing the business environment has changed the role of accounting and were present the accounting place of following different types: role of language, role of historical cost, role of determining the net profit, role of determining the financial position, role of information system, role of service provider. So this is the role of accounting information. Okay, bye, good day.